In today's lecture, we will see some unusual and fun commands that are available in MATLAB. So we'll see how to use them. I have saved my editor file. Clear will clear my workspace variables. Close will close all the figures that are open in my MATLAB, and then CLC will clear my command window. Here I am having a matrix A, B, and C. A of size 3 cross 3, B is a 2 cross 2 identity matrix, C is a 4 cross, and let's check the size of C. Here I am having the error I am getting because I have not executed my editor file, and it is not available in workspace. That's why I'm getting this error unrecognized functional variable. So let's run this by using F5. F5. Now I am having these variables in my workspace. Now I can test these in command window. There are 4 rows and 2 columns I am having in matrix C. There are some unusual and fun commands. Let's check one by one. Let's expand my command window. Here, if I want, whenever you write a code and it goes about 500 or 600 lines in MATLAB and you don't know what are the names of variables you have used in your MATLAB, simply type who in your command window and it will give you the variables. Okay, here you can see these are the variables that are used by me in my editor file. So this is a useful command. Moving on to next command, we have whos. So this will tell me the each and every detail of this editor window. Here a matrix A, its size, bytes, and then class, and then attributes. So move on to next command. There are some reserved words in MATLAB. Let's say if capital INF appears in command in your result, then it means that something has divided by 0, which means this represents infinity. INF, this represents infinity. In similar way we have let's clear this. How do we get this one? 2 divided by 0 will yield us infinity. In similar way, if 0 divided by 0 happens in your code, then a reserved word of NaN will appear in results. In similar fashion, if you use pi, it will give you the value 3.1416, that is actually pi. If you want to write 22 by 7 instead of that, you can use pi in your code. And in similar fashion, let's clear this. We have built-in function date. It will give me the date of current date of my laptop, that is it's April 11, 2023. And then we have clock, CLOCK. It will give me the time by multiplying this with this term. In similar way, then I am having ver command. It will give me the details of my MATLAB that is installed in my PC. It actually gives the details about the version, license number, operating system, Java version, and then moving forward, it tells us about information about all the toolboxes that are installed in my PC through MATLAB. Let's move on to next command. Clear this. Then we have what command, WHET what command. What command does what? It gives me the directory of my current folder and it tells me the name of my editor file. So next is we are having Y command. Y command gives us jokes and statements. Each and every time when you will execute it will give a different statement. Now it's given to fool the tall, good and smart system manager. Then again the rich and tall and good system manager suggested it. So these are some statements that are generated by MATLAB. Next we are having logo. So when we use logo command, it will give us a MATLAB logo. We can see this, it gives us a MATLAB logo. Let's clear this. Next we are having demo. So demo command gives us all the basics of MATLAB. Let's wait for this. So these are basic metric operations, body transforms, create common 2D plots. So this will provide us a basic introduction or demonstration of these parameters in MATLAB. So we can use this demo command to learn from command, but hopefully you will not use this. Then we have intro command. By using intro command we have the several basic metric operations. Now if you can see where I use basic metric operations, it gives us basic matrix operations. So these are all the operations, and if you can see in workspace, these are all the variables. And if again I use this intro, it will give us the graphs of these workspace variables, and here these are the values of these variables that are used in basics of matrix. So let's clear our command window, CFC, and move forward. Then we have our command lorenz, LORENZ. So by pressing start, you can see here this is something simulation type, 3D simulation type. Let's stop this. Next we are having image command, IMAGE. It gives us a image that you can see, technograph type image. It gives us this function. So this was all for today's lecture. We will cover some more fun commands in next part, inshallah.